Hey, this is Jamie once again at the Xiaomi store with Overvote. After bugging the staff for a very long time, he explained a lot for this Mi Band 4 that everybody is expecting. So I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna explain very quickly about the exact differences compared with this new Mi Band 4 I have with me and the previous version, which is Mi Band 3. So here we go. Basically what's new, very obvious one, is this colored screen compared to Mi Band 3. This one has a color screen with much of a bigger screen, essentially, and also according to the staff, this one provides more options. Haha, thank you, Marco. This is a Mi Band 3, which is not colored. And this one actually has a larger screen that displays more notifications. I'm holding in with see notification that allows more text, more showing, and also more exercise mode. Okay, this is not okay. I cannot do this simultaneously. I'm very terribly coordinated. There you go, sports, a little bit more, and also this one actives your Google automatically. If it's the international version, of course. If it's the Chinese version, it's Xiaomi.